Hello students, hope you're fine. Today, let's analyze random sampling and non-random sampling. In this topic, let's analyze what are the random sampling methods, its merits as well as demerits. And non-random sampling, its different methods and its merits also. Let's start. First of all, what is meant by random sampling method? Random sampling, it's a method of collecting or selecting a sample on the basis of equal chances for all or on the basis of probability. Here, one item is having equal chance to be selected to the group. So let's analyze first what are the different methods of random sampling. There are four major methods are there. First one, simple random sampling. Second one, stratified sampling or mixed sampling. Third one, systematic sampling. And fourth one, cluster sampling or multi-stage sampling. Out of these four, in our textbook, Statistics for Economics, it analyzes only one method. That is simple random sampling and its two methods. So let's concentrate in that method. What is meant by simple random sampling? Remaining other methods you will study in your degree levels. Clear? So first of all, what is meant by simple random sampling? Simple random sampling, as its name explains, it's a very simple method. Random sampling. Randomly we are selecting a group or a number from the universe, from the population. Means every individual has an equal chance of being selected. There is no prejudice, no bias in the selection of that. And those who are selected are just like one selected. There is no specification. Nothing is there. From the sampling frame means the entire group. One is selected means it explains all members have equal chance to be selected that one. And you might have seen that in our lottery and all. This method is there in the drawing of the prizes in supermarkets and all. From the coupon what we filled there and deposited there in the box. So all these are the possibilities. We are expecting they will call our number also. Like that all are expecting there. Is it? That is the simple random sampling. Randomly we are selecting the same method the teacher they are using. When they are asking questions in the class they are using this method. Randomly we are finding the people. There is no prejudice, no bias in this regard. Random selection only. And basically here we use two methods for simple random sampling. First one, lottery method. Second one, tippet table or random number table. These are the two methods in which we are using this random sampling. First of all, what is lottery method? Lottery method is that old system, now it's mechanized. Number they are selecting using the system of using computers and all. Before, this method also we are using. We are preparing the numbers in a small sheet of paper and we are mixing up together in a drum or a box, and from there we are taking randomly one or two. After mixing up thoroughly, we are taking one or two number by blindly and we are declaring the prize. That is lottery method. It's very familiar. In your clubs and all, in order to declare the winner, we are making like that. The coupon, the end of that coupon, counterfoil we are keeping there in the deposit. From there we are taking one number randomly or two number to declare the Mr. Of your school or Mr. of your club or any the first prize winner for the television or refrigerator, anything like that, that is declared. The same method in lottery also, government also using that one. Is it? But now they are finding other winners on the basis of the electronics number rotating system and all, mechanized. That is the first method, lottery system, lottery method. Second one is that tippet table or a random number table. What is the tippet number, tippet table? Yes, that is a table prepared by a statistician in the year 1927. His name is Tippett, LHC Tippett, Leonard Henry Caleb Tippett, LHC Tippett. In his table, there are 10,400 numbers are there of 4 digits. He brought four digits number, and from that number 5,200 number randomly people are using there for finding the random people, and from there it is used random number table, is it? And this number table, it's a 5,200 numbers. It's a typed in a sheet. You can see that if you are searching in a Google and all, you will get it, the table. How do we use the table? That's important thing. That's very conveniently we can use that. From that page, any page we can use the number. Any page we can select the number in a row wise or column wise. There is nothing is there. You have to start from the beginning. No. Suppose I will tell you few numbers. When you use the table, suppose I will tell some number. Suppose it is given there 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 digit is 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one is 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9 and 0. Suppose it is like that number. Number may be any number will be there. 4 digits number will be there. So in this case, suppose we want to choose out of 100 people using this number table. So we have to start this first number 1, 2, 3, 4. We need out of 100 10 people in our group. We have to select 10 people out of 100, and we are using this random number table. First number I found it is 1, 2, 3, 4. How will choose? We need only 2 digits, 1 to 100, 10 numbers. Yes, first number 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to divide that 4 digit number into a pairs of 2. First number is that what one? 12. Second number is 34, means 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 and 34. That's the first number. Next number it is given to us, given 7, 8, 9, 0 in our table. Imagine that. The next number is 78. 78 because 7, 8. Next number is 90, 90. So those who got the number, serial number, they are selected. So now we got 4. Like that we can continue in row ways. Or if we are going down, any order we can go. There is no restriction that we have to follow the same order. But this is the possibility. If you are choosing a number from 5 digits, we have to divide accordingly 2. Or if you want to find out more than that one, we can divide into 3. Like that we can choose the number from there. That is a random table number. In Google and all, we can see that. In our textbook it is not given, but in our textbook it is given a 300 students selection and all using that number. So only the thing is that from where did you start that one, you have to continue the order continuously, either the block of 2 or the block of 3. According to the serial number provision, we can make it. Understood? That is the random number method. And there are some concepts are there regarding the selection of random numbers of the people. The magicians, they are saying the best random number between 1 and 100 is 37. And they are making some their own illusionary calculations regarding that one. There is nothing is there. 37, because they are saying the temperature of the body, human body's normal temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. They are saying the reason. And the Bodhisattva practices, they are saying there are 37 are there. And the factoids pages of that Tom McGlary's page, there are 37 pages are there. These are the conclusions, and they are saying 37 is the best random number, and they are making some proofs accordingly, but statistically nothing is there behind that one. And few are saying 73 is the best number because 3 and 7 interchangeably used. 37, 73, 17, 27 relating to this one, they are saying that these are random number in this series. Anyway, as a statistics student, we have to use the random number table judiciously in this row wise or column wise, any order, but the continuation we have to make. That only the thing relating to that one. Divide in the block of 2 or the block of 3 and we can find out. Depends upon the requirements of us. Clear now? Then let's analyze what are the merits of this method. As usual, it's also having some merits. It is very cheap. Economically, it is very economical method because nothing is required. Only the table and some paperwork. So easily we can find out the random selection and all. And purely, second merit is that purely is providing a chance to be selected. All are, we can expect as next one may be my number. Understood? Because we don't know from which page the random number is selected. Or the lottery also, how we don't know how. We are expecting. That's why again and again and again we are taking the lottery. Because next time my number will come. Is it? Maybe a slight difference of one number. We might have lost the first prize. Clear? But the next number is didn't give the second prize. Next number, second prize number is a different one. That's the lottery method. Clear? So economic, all are having equal chance to be selected in this way. And it is same possibility. All are having same possibility. There is nothing is there. 100 are there. 100 are numbers have the chances to be selected that one. Equal chance for everyone. And we can say it's accurate and reliable. Unless until our number comes, we can say it is accurate. Correct. These are the different merits of this simple random sampling. And as usual, some demerits also there. First one is that we can say this is a random matter only. How can we assure that reliability is there? There is no reliability in this regard. And second demerit is that this is okay possible in some cases where the area, field of inquiry is very less, limited area is there. Okay, it's possible. Field of inquiry is wide and broad. It is not possible to conduct this study. Clear? And third thing is that what is the guarantee that some number should be included compulsorily? Those numbers should come. Then only that study will be completed. That number did not come. What is the guarantee that that number will be selected there if you are using this method? Randomly selecting. No guarantee that that number will be coming. Some items should be included compulsorily that one, but it is not be included there when we are choosing the number randomly. And in case of heterogeneous data, it is not possible. Suppose from the group of 50 singers, there are 50 singers are there from different groups. We want to select 10 singers from the group. But we are having a condition that, presumption is that all categories of singers should come. In this one, light singer, cinema, movies and all, devotional singers should come. Is it? From all the religious groups, then devotional singers should come. Such a, if we are calculating that, how it is possible to select from these 50 people? And what is the guarantee that from all the 10 maybe same category might be reached there? So randomly, there are more chances are there for the wrong selections and all. So in this heterogeneous data, it is not possible to get the clear number. These are the different demerits of this random sampling method. Clear? Next one, let us move to non-random sampling. Non-random sampling we mean, it is a matter of getting selected. But here in simple random sampling, all numbers or all members have equal chances to be selected. But here no such equal chances. Non-random, random also no chance. It means that all numbers do not have equal chance to be selected, of being selected. Maybe, luckily, if it is there, you may be selected. That is why we are calling it as, it is a non-scientific method of selecting samples. Means, selection is done on the basis of some judgments, some calculations, some assumptions, some purposes. So that is why it is also, we are calling it as, all these are the different non-sampling methods. Purposive sampling, quota sampling, convenience sampling. These are the different methods of non-random sampling. In our textbook, just it is mentioned regarding that only. That these are the methods. Purposive sampling means it is done on the basis of some predetermined purpose. Yes, this is the matter. That is why we are conducting the study according to the need of the situation or the desire of the matter. It is conducted. From the class, we want to select few boys. Purposefully. So we have to select a monitor in the class. Purpose. That's a purpose. So we are selecting. So in that one, all are not having equal chance. From that one, we are making some filters from some conditions. According to the conditions, as per that one, the desire of the class teacher, it is selected. So non-random. Random, not any conditions. So all are not having equal chance. From that criteria, only we are selecting the people. So it is easy. It's easy to conduct. Because from that class, we are finding. From the group, we are selecting few. That's why. And it is very easy to conduct and it's very economical. There is nothing is spent in this matter. At the same time, there are demerits also there. What is the guarantee that? Personal prejudice is possible. And selected the members from the different persons. Is it? Person to person may be different. So prejudice also possible. Depends upon individual also be changing. So there is no common criteria. In one class, the teacher might be selected accordingly. Other class, the teacher might be selected using some other criteria, some other purpose. So we cannot say it's a common matter at all. Clear. Second thing is that quota. We are using some quota in this regard. Yes, from that group, we need these many numbers. We are fixing some quota in this regard. So number, fix a number, we have to select. There are also own what criteria. And selection is so easy. We have to from that group, like I told you regarding the singer team. We can say, okay, 10 I need. Okay, 2 should come. So we can fix a quota from that one. So 2 should come from that one. That's the purpose behind that one. From all the team, we should get the exact number. That's a quota matter in this one. And we are expecting this matter also bringing some reliable conclusions in the calculations and all. And that we are expecting that will be good unless until we are conducting that one. But the criticism, people are there to criticize this matter. This is also a kind of purposive sampling only. Prejudice is 100% possible in this regard. Like that political people, when they are distributing the benefits, they are keeping, yes, whether he belongs to my political party or my community. Then only the benefit is distributed. Even in all these natural calamities also, few people are concerned about such thing, whether he belongs to my group or not. That is unhuman. We cannot say like that. Is it? So that's why quota sampling also not be selected. And third point is that convenience. Non-random sampling is conducted on the basis of the convenience of the people. Yes, according to our convenience, we can conduct non-random sampling. But what is the guarantee that convenience is it should be a convenience for the others also? It is easy. It is simple, less expensive. Because according to our convenience, according to my wish and will, I can conduct the selection. Is it? Like in a sports team selection. From your school team or not. Sports, it is conducted according to the convenience of the sports teacher. But in that regard, the sports teacher has to keep some criteria. Is it? Accordingly, we have to consider. These are the merits. But what is the guarantee that these convenience, these matters, there are many are there in our school better than those members in our those who are playing football or cricket. They did not get selection in this regard because the concept, the criteria kept by the person, it was not correct. Randomly selected. Is it? These are the problems relating to that one. Because not scientific, it's not reliable, so it's not be having that much clarity in this regard. Understood now? What are the problems of this one? So let us sum up once again. Random sampling methods. We discuss among the methods of that one, we discuss about simple random sampling. And in this one, lottery method and random number table also there. Non-random sampling. All are having not chances like that to be selected. There also it's done on the basis of some prejudice, some calculations, some judgments. That is, it may be purpose, or it may be quota, or it may be convenient. Understood? Hope you enjoyed the class and keep watching my previous classes also. Thank you.